Altcoins and Bitcoin continue to fall deeper and deeper into the red. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some breaking news as well as what is going to potentially happen next in the next coming weeks, months with crypto. This is a video you're not going to want to miss, so smash the like button, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And please understand I'm not a financial advisor. In full disclosure, I do hold some of the coins that I will be speaking about in today's video. Now, one other huge update and announcement. Yesterday I made a video. This happens next for Bitcoin and altcoins. I have a huge announcement tomorrow. You're not going to want to miss this announcement. I will be posting it here. I will be posting it over on my Instagram. It's a big cryptocurrency announcement. This has been in the works for many months. I'm really excited and proud about what I'm about to announce. And you will have first access to this before it even gets out even further. So I want to kind of just, dial it down a little bit and not be too excited, but I am very excited for what I'm about to announce to you tomorrow. So make sure to keep coming back to the channel, 7:30 Eastern Standard Time. We've literally posted over 1,000 videos. We've posted a video every single day, even in the last couple of years in the bull market and in the bear market. So tomorrow, big announcement. You're not going to want to miss it. But why are these altcoins and Bitcoin falling? Well, I think a lot of it has to do with the recent events in the news. And basically what is happening with this war happening in the Middle East. Now, I'm not going to go into the details of the war and what's happening, but wars affect markets. So it is something to pay attention to. To me personally, I don't want to go into the details of, all of this. I believe personally that war is never a good thing in general for any war. So, it's sad to see something like this happening. It's really unfortunate. But here's what happened in the last war that started over about a year and a half ago now. And that was between Russia attacking Ukraine. And what happened was the Bitcoin price falls after Russia attacks Ukraine. You see the price of Bitcoin fell below $35,000 early Thursday after Russian President Vladimir Putin announced the military operation in Ukraine. So if you take a look at cryptocurrency and you look at Bitcoin right now, you can see also it's been a few days since the attack happened in Israel and Palestine, and that was just approximately a couple of days ago. And you can see even since then, in these last couple of days, Bitcoin has been trending downwards. So again, this happened on Saturday. Bitcoin was at 27,000, 28,000, and since then it has certainly fallen off a little bit. Nothing crazy, but the market is starting to figure this out. And if Bitcoin falls, what happens to all the other altcoins? They fall even more exponentially. You can see Polkadot down to new lows for the year, $3.81. You also have Dogecoin. If I can find Doge on the map here somewhere around here is Dogecoin, I'm sure. But Dogecoin 2 is under 6 cents. Here it is. Right around 6 cents. It's now at 5 cents, 5.8 cents. And Dogecoin was just 15 cents a few months ago. Like, it had that huge uptick and it was really up there. So you can see Bitcoin, Ethereum is under $1,500 again. What we know about Ethereum is that the Ethereum Foundation sold millions of dollars worth of Ethereum again, and they ended up selling a lot around $2,000, which was kind of where the peak was again in the last year here in 2023. So it's really interesting to see these prices as well as what happens in the future, because you can see here this went all the way to approximately 2,000, and if you go out to the max chart, you can see that 2,000 was right around the high around April, and since then it's just been down and to the right. So people have either front ran the halving event by a whole year now, and we're about to go parabolic again right before the halving event, or we're just going to trade sideways here for quite a while longer. So that comes to what's going to happen next again, and what does the war and everything mean for crypto? It means that if you're a believer in any of these cryptocurrency projects, they're just on sale even more. The whole game of crypto is to buy low and sell high. And we don't know how low things are going to go. So that's what I want to talk about right now is, well, how low will it go? No one knows for sure, right? No one can tell you that, like, okay, this is the bottom, right? Polkadot at $3.81 is the bottom. It could go to $2. It could go to $1.50. It could do that. I'm not promising you whether it will or will not. What you need to do is have a strategy and be prepared for what's going to happen. And the biggest people that have made money in crypto, they have a strategy. They know they have a system. They follow a blueprint. They know exactly what they're doing. Now, I teach you this for free by unlocking my free training. And I also have taught you for free here on YouTube what coins I'm buying, what coins I'm selling. And if you would have bought Bitcoin when I made the announcement back in the beginning of 2023, end of 2024, I felt like that was the bottom for Bitcoin. Now, again, we don't know for sure because maybe the market crashes all the way back down to those lows and maybe it goes even lower. But when I ended up buying Bitcoin, it was the low for the last year or so. So this cryptocurrency stuff is very, very time sensitive. That's why I make a video every single day here on YouTube. I don't just make videos to make videos. I make videos here every single day because everything's time sensitive. Today, Rollbit could be down 16%. Tomorrow it could be up 100% because of a news event or because of something. You don't know with this market. And because it is so time sensitive, if you're able to catch the highs and the lows, you can do incredibly well for yourself. But you have to be here paying attention, learning, and continuously studying these markets. I know this firsthand because this is what I do 24/7, 365. On top of building businesses and making videos on YouTube, this is what I have dedicated my life to doing, and it's why I've become a cryptocurrency millionaire. So if you want to become a cryptocurrency millionaire, it's certainly possible. If you want to be a business millionaire, it's certainly possible. I'll teach you all of that. Why? Because I've done it. I only teach from experience. I will not teach you or talk to you about things that I've never done. But if you can imagine turning 5,000 into 50,000 in just 2 days or 10,000 into 200,000 in just a week, and that sounds crazy to you, it's happening. I know people have done way more than that in crypto, and it offers you these opportunities. I know so because I've done this. I took 5,000 into 50,000 in 2 days. That 5,000 turned into 150,000, and the 10,000 into 200,000 was just in 1 week. I've documented results to prove this to you, and I have proven it to every single person that has been through my programs, and they've duplicated and even learned this. So don't give up on cryptocurrency. Just because we're in a lull right now, and just because the market's in the news, a lot of people, I believe right now, are very fearful, and that is typically when there's opportunity in markets. When everyone's selling and saying it's the end and this is those were the best times to have bought Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, 27,400, the best time to have bought Bitcoin was when FTX collapsed back here in November 2022. So in the last year approximately, the best time to have bought Bitcoin was when everyone was telling you it was going to 12,000 to 10,000 and everything else. And I was saying this is it. I don't think it's going to go much lower than this. And even if it does go a little bit lower, whatever, I'm still accumulating and buying. And that's basically the message I want to relay to you again today is, if the market does go lower and we go back down to maybe 20,000, or maybe we even retest the base at 17,000, we have some black swan crazy event like this war or something happens. You can't predict these things to a T. What you can do is formulate a strategy so that you can win over time. And if you can do that, that's where the money is made in this game. And you can make, like I said, a lot. I know so firsthand. And if you want to be a millionaire, cryptocurrency is offering you that opportunity. I know so firsthand. So there's your update for today. Tomorrow, make sure to stay tuned. We have a huge announcement coming. Thank you again for all of your support here on this channel. I can't wait to see you in the next video tomorrow, so stay tuned, and thanks again for watching.